Epigenetic Postal Kit Instructions. First, open the Epigenetic Postal Box. You will find a brown paper packet, which contains rubber gloves. Now, put on the rubber gloves on both hands because hygiene is important. From the kit, take out the tweezers and remove the rubber cap. For the next steps, your baby or child should be seated, and they should take deep breaths to relax their minds. Now, place your fingers below the child's occipital bone. It's a small bump at the back of your head. Use the tweezers to pluck out 4 strands of hair with their roots from this area. After plucking out the 4 strands of hair, place the hair strands under the hair retaining sticker. It is important that the hair root bulbs are exposed in the position shown, and not under the sticker. Now, please take out the cotton swab from the box and slowly rotate the swab against the mouth's inner left and right cheeks. Using the same swab, also rub under the tongue for a total of 5 seconds. Collect as much saliva as possible. After you're done collecting the saliva, break the cotton swab at the marking and place it in the clear tube and close it. Next step. In the box, please take out a resealable foil bag and tear it at the marking. Take the oxygen absorber out of its clear plastic bag and place it in the resealable foil bag. Now, place the hair retainer sticker with your 4 strands of hair and the clear tube with saliva sample into the foil bag. And seal it securely. Last step, put the foil bag in the prepaid returned envelope and send it to processing center in your country.